Good morning, students. Welcome back to your science class. So, children, yesterday we have started a new chapter. I hope you have done the related assignment in your notebook as well as in your textbook, isn't it? Yes. So, children, today we are going to continue the chapter. Okay. So, let's quickly recapitulate what we have learned yesterday. Okay. So, children, yesterday we have understood the sense organs and the work done by sense organs and the senses, okay, because senses are related to sense organs, okay. And here is our sense organs, right? Eyes. Yes, whenever we want to see anything we use our eyes. If we even want to write something, if we want to watch TV, if we want to go somewhere, we need eyes, yes, and we have to use our eyes to do the certain things, yes, children. And just like eyes, our ears are also playing an important part in our life, yes, because ears help us to hear, yes. And yesterday we have learned about that ears can tell us that which sound is unpleasant and which is pleasant, and which is loud and which is not loud, yes, which is soft voice, yes. So our ears can only tell us. So ears are also very important for us, and it is also a sense organ, yes. Now tongue is also an important sense organ of our body, as it helps us in tasting, yes. Whenever we want to eat something, first of all we taste it, whether we like it or not, with the help of tongue, and then we'll decide that we have to eat that particular thing or not, yes, because without tongue we are unable to eat our food, because without taste the food will not seems okay or good to us, yes. Now next is our nose, yes. Nose is also played a very important part in our life, as it helps us in breathing, yes. Children, come on, take a deep breath, yes, inhale and exhale. You can see the difference between inhale and exhale through nose only, right? And nose is really a very important part, because without nose it is really very difficult for us to do the breathing process, yes. And for living a life we all need breathing, yes. Now the fifth sense organ is our skin, yes, children. So skin is really the longest part, the longest external organ of our body, है ना. वो ऑर्गन जो हमें दिखाई देता है, जो हमारी पूरी बॉडी को कवर करके रखता है, दैट इज़ स्किन, राइट. बिकॉज विदाउट स्किन आर बॉडी इज़ जस्ट लाइक अ मस्कुलर सिस्टम, है ना. Muscular system we will come to know, and we'll definitely come to understand the systems, the various systems of our body in this chapter, okay, children. So now let's quickly recapitulate what our senses are seeing, because eyes, yes, eyes help us to see, yes. And ears help us to hear. Taste, for tasting tongue will help us, and for smelling nose, feeling skin, yes. So these all senses are performed by our sense organs, right, students? So I hope that you have recapitulated that what we have done yesterday, okay. Now two facts also that we have learned yesterday, let me quickly recapitulate that also to you all, right? So see this picture. In this picture you can see our sense organs, yes. Hand is just for the example of skin, tongue, ears and nose, right? These are known as external organs. Now here our heart is here, and heart beats Yes, and it pumps blood to all the parts of body. Yes, it is an internal organ. Yes, and this is the picture of kidney. Kidney is also an internal organ and it helps in removing the waste from our body. Yes, now see the next picture. In this picture you can see that lungs are here. Yes, and lungs and nose and our breathing system helps us in breathing. Yes, and after that I taught you about this, that insects like ladybug, ants, grasshopper and many more are having eyes. So their eyes are made up of 100 small eyes. Yes, 100 छोटी छोटी eyes से मिलकर इनकी eyes बनी होती है. If you can see here in this picture, this many small eyes you can see, and from those eyes their eyes are made. Yes, children. So ants and insects have this kind of eye. Yes, and now yesterday we came to know that birds are having ears. Yes, near their eyes there is a hole, and that hole is known as their ears. Yes, so they listen, they hear from these holes. Yes, from these holes they listen each and every sound or every noise. Yes, so this were the important 2 facts that I told you yesterday. Yes, now we'll continue. So open your page number 60. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the organ system. Yes, there are many organ systems in our body. Yes, children, besides the sense organs your body has many other organs. Yes, of course we know. Actually I have shown you pictures also of heart, kidney, yes, of hands and legs also. Yes, so there are many other parts also in our body that are there. Yes, so these organs वर्क इन ग्रुप्स, है ना. ये जो ऑर्गन्स हैं आपकी बॉडी में, ये सारे ऑर्गन्स अकेले काम नहीं करते. दे कांट डू वर्क अलोन, दे वर्क इन ग्रुप्स. ये ग्रुप में काम करते हैं. अ ग्रुप ऑफ ऑर्गन्स वर्किंग टुगेदर टू डू एन इम्पॉर्टेंट जॉब इज कॉल्ड एन ऑर्गन सिस्टम. ओके, सो ये जो ग्रुप होता है ऑर्गन्स का जो मिलकर साथ में काम करता है, दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑर्गन्स for doing an important job is known as an organ system. Okay, we call them as organ system. Clear? Now there are several organ systems in your body which help you to stay alive and do various things, right? So आपकी बॉडी में एक सिस्टम नहीं है organ system, many organ systems are there. And all these organ systems together help you to stay alive and to do various tasks like cooking. Your mother is cooking food, like you are playing. So at that time not only your hands and legs are working but full body is working, and inside body there are many organ systems that are doing their job. Yes, now if you press, just press it, press. Yes, if you press your knee, अपने घुटने को प्रेस करो, press your knee, तो आप यहाँ पे देखोगे बहुत हार्ड है ना. तो ये जो हार्ड आपको लगता है ये क्या होती हैं, ये हमारी बोन्स होती हैं. दीज आर नोन एज बोन्स, राइट. इनको क्या कहते हैं, बोन्स. सो एन अडल्ट, जो एक बड़ा इंसान होता है, राइट, एन अडल्ट ह्यूमन हैज़ 206 बोन्स इन द बॉडी. उसकी बोन्स कितनी होती हैं बॉडी में, उसकी टोटल 206 बोन्स होती हैं, राइट. दे आर जॉइंड टुगेदर एंड फॉर्म अ फ्रेमवर्क नोन एज द स्केलेटन और स्केलेटल सिस्टम. यस, ये सब मिलके इफ़ यू सी इन दिस पिक्चर, है ना, इन दिस पिक्चर यू कैन ईजिली सी दैट दिस इज़ अ फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ बोन्स. यस, ये एक पूरा आपका जो एक स्ट्रक्चर है वो किसका बना हुआ है, बोन्स का बना हुआ है. तो ये जो पूरा स्ट्रक्चर है इसको हम क्या कहते हैं, स्केलेटल सिस्टम. क्या कहते हैं, व्हाट डू वी कॉल इट, वी कॉल इट एज स्केलेटल सिस्टम, राइट. इट्स हेड, इट्स हैंड एंड इट्स फुट, एंड दीज आर नोन एज थाई, है ना. ये सारी चीज़ें, ये दिस इज नी, यस, दिस इज एल्बो, यस, दिस इज रिस्ट, दिस इज शोल्डर. ये सारी चीज़ें आपकी एक फ्रेमवर्क, एक बोनी फ्रेमवर्क होता है ना. फ्रेमवर्क जो एक, आप हिंदी में अगर हम कहें तो उसको ढांचा बोलते हैं ना, बट इंग्लिश में वी यूज टू कॉल इट एज फ्रेमवर्क. सो वो जो दिस फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ बोन्स इज नोन एज स्केलेटन और स्केलेटल सिस्टम. ठीक है. Now see, as you see in this picture, yes, this is our skeletal system. The skeletal system gives your body its shape, right? So it is giving your body a perfect shape. Without the skeleton, the body will collapse into a heap of flesh, right? अगर आपके पास ये skeleton नहीं होता, if we don't have this skeleton, then our body will collapse into a heap of flesh, right? And it also protects all the soft organs of your body, yes, because as you all know that our lungs, our internal organs are really very soft and delicate, yes, बहुत ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट होते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा डेलिकेट होते हैं. इफ़ देयर इज़ नो स्केलेटल सिस्टम देन आर इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स विल बी इन प्रॉब्लम, यस. तो हमारे ऑर्गन सिस्टम्स जो हैं वो काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम में होते हैं, राइट. So, the skeletal system is the most important system, yes. Now, the bones in the skeleton are joined together in such a way that you can move parts of your body, है ना. Very important thing that the bones in the skeleton, आपके skeleton में जो bones हैं वो इस तरीके से join की गई हैं. The bones are joined together in such a way that you can move your body parts, yes, like if I want to move my fingers I can move, yes. So inside it there is a bone, see, bone, 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 right. So our body is, you know, designed in such a way, our skeletal system is designed in such a way, and the bones are joined in such a way that we can move our body parts easily, yes children. So this is what all about skeletal system. Now the second system is the muscular system, yes. अब bony system तो है, bones तो है, but over our skeletal system muscular system is there, right. If you see in this picture, yes, there are all over muscles on our body, yes. Now place your left hand on your right arm. आप अपना left जो hand है उसको आप अपने right arm पर रखिए. Bend and straighten your arm. Then you have to bend it and then you have to try to straighten your right arm. Can you feel something move? Yes, yes, muscles move हो रही है, right. The moving parts are your muscles, है ना. जो अब जैसे हम ऐसे करते हैं, अप एंड डाउन करते हैं, at that time when we put our hand up and then we put it down, at that time also we can feel that muscles are there, yes, muscles are. So these moving parts are known as our muscles, okay. Some of them are attached to your bones, yes, not all of them, but some of them of muscles are attached to our bones also, and they pull our bones to make them move. वो हमारी bones को pull करती हैं movement में, yes. You need a strong muscles to lift heavy things or to run fast. आपको बहुत ही ज़्यादा strong muscles की ज़रूरत होती है. क्यों? जब आपको heavy things को lift करना होता है या move करना होता है, yes. Whenever you have to lift or move heavy things or when you have to run fast, you need strong muscles, yes. And the muscles of your body forms the muscular system, right. Like this picture, if you see in this picture, this body is made up of muscles, and this is known as our muscular system. Okay children, so now see the example of weightlifting. You can see in this picture a man is lifting a heavy weight. Yes, so he needs very strong muscles, right students? So our muscular system helps us in doing these kind of heavy work, right? So our body is covered of muscular system, and it helps us in protecting our body. Yes. Now children, we have learned today about skeletal system and muscular system, and we will do exercise based on these two systems today. Okay, now take out your science notebook and get ready for doing your assignment of today. Okay children, so yesterday we have started the chapter, so today we will write the date. Yes, 25 September 2020. Okay, now here the first question is for today, name the organ system. Okay, what is the name of the organ system? Okay, now tell me, the framework of bones in our body forms our dash. Yes, framework of bones. Yes, तो framework of bones के पूरे framework को हम क्या कहते हैं? Yes, skeletal system. SKELETOL SYSTEM, skeletal system. Okay, next question is the muscles of our body forms. ठीक है, muscles जो हमारी body की बनाती है, क्या बनाती है? Our body forms, yes, they forms muscular system, right? What they form? They forms muscular system. Bones, framework of bones forms skeletal system, and muscles of our body forms muscular system. Okay, now see the next question. Our next question is fill in the blanks. Okay, so now here fill in the blanks are written and you have to think about the answers. Okay, an adult body has dash bones in the body. Okay, एक adult body में कितनी bones होती हैं? Yes, we have read it ना? Yes, how many bones? 206. Yes, the moving parts in the body are जैसे like these moving parts, तो ये क्या है ऊपर? Yes, muscles. So we will write here muscles are the moving parts. Yes, now we need dash muscles to lift heavy things or to run fast. Yes, जब भी हमें तेज़ दौड़ना है या फिर हमें लिफ्ट करनी है क्या? हैवी थिंग्स. एट दैट टाइम वी नीड स्ट्रॉन्ग मसल्स. विच काइंड ऑफ मसल्स? स्ट्रॉन्ग. वीक मसल्स होंगी तो प्रॉब्लम होगी. यस, राइट. नाउ द डैश गिव्स शेप टू आवर बॉडी. क्या देता है हमारी बॉडी को शेप? यस, व्हाट गिव्स अस शेप? यस, द स्केलेटन गिव्स shape to our body. Yes, skeleton, SKELETON, skeleton. Skeleton gives shape to our body. The hard parts inside our body are जो hard parts होते हैं हमारी body में, जैसे अगर हम if I will touch this hard part, what do we call it? Yes, we call it as bones, right? BONES, bones, right children? So children, do your work in your notebook properly and get ready for your exams. Okay, exams are coming soon, so please prepare yourselves for exams and do the preparations well. Okay, take care, have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye children.